Hi, and welcome to Haltian's headquarters, which has recently got a makeover. Like most companies, we're adjusting to this new flex office activity-based way of working and understanding how we're able to use our office in a more efficient way with data that we've actually gathered from our solution Empathic Building and from our Thingsee presence sensors. Today I'm going to be talking about our Thingsee AIR sensor device, but first let's talk about the importance of indoor air quality. So working environments affect employees' well-being, happiness, and performance, and indoor air quality plays a huge factor in this. We're indoors 90% of the time, and indoor air can be up to 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor airs. Poor indoor air quality affects employees' well-being and health, which in turn increases the amount of sick leaves they take. It's also been shown in studies that CO2 levels affect our cognitive brain function and our brain's level of performance. So providing good indoor air quality not only keeps your employees healthy, but it's also been proven to improve focus and productivity in work-related tasks. With the Thingsee AIR sensor, you're able to measure and monitor the indoor air quality of your office spaces to ensure that the air is premium, as well as provide real-time environmental conditions about the office. What makes Thingsee AIR different than other air monitoring devices is the fact that it's wireless. So there's less restrictions of where it can be installed. There are no disturbing wires as it is battery operated, which lasts up to 3 years. It's also a multi-purpose smart building sensor as it monitors both CO2 and TVOC levels, temperature, humidity, air pressure, and ambient light. That's really a lot for such a small device. Data gathered from the Thingsee AIR can be integrated into BIMS, digital twins, and any other software solution. For example, with our workplace solution, Empathic Building, it provides real-time data analytics about the environmental conditions of not only the office, but for meeting rooms as well, making it as simple as possible to find and choose the right environment for working and having meetings. If you'd like to learn more and understand how we'd be able to assist you with adjusting to this new way of working and employees' needs, you can check out more information at our website, haltian.com. Until next time, have a great day and thanks for watching.